Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Seconds of the shot clock. Good for two on number 0. Runs up to the Systems Plus basketball. Good for two on number 4. Isa na lang ang laman ng EF 2019. Ten to shoot. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good for two on number 0. Change level. 21 for Systems Plus 20 for AUM. 1 point lead. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul individual foul to be number 26. Number 5 for Systems Split AUM. Let's start on Systems Split AUM basketball. Good for two on number 18. Let's start same ball. Shot clock remaining at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. For three, number 13. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng AF at 25-21. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds, AF basketball. Substitution. Last zone, Systems Plus area basketball, same ball. To shoot. Last touch, same ball. Seconds on the shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. That's Minnesota foul number 12, Luckenbaum. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. That's Minnesota. Foul number 0, pushing down. Two Petros at number 26. First basket in number 26, pass up. Second throw, number 26. 3 out of 2. No foul, nothing out. Foul number 12, pushing foul. Foul committed number 5, 58. Good work to number 1. Then with the call on number 1. Number 12 for the AF out. Good for two, number 23, Zabata. The foul committed to number 9, volleyball penalty. Two Petros on number 9. First throw on number 9. Second throw on number 9. Good for two, number 9. For number 6. Penalty. Number 23 is about out. First pitch on number 6. It's good. Second throw, number 26. 32. Number 26 out. Are they yet? Number 9, Pelly. That is second and you. Pelly. Two free throws on number 18. First throw, number 18. It's good. Second and last throw on number 18. Then seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock at 5. Last night on the UF system for basketball. Llorente out. Number 12, 42. Number 3. For another board lead. 34, 35, 27. Long start, same ball. Shot clock running at 48 seconds, 46 digits. Foul on the result, foul committed number 18. Two free throws on number 9. Split on number 9. Basket on number 8. Basket on number 12. To the line on 37-30. Foul has been committed. Foul number 18. Holy foul. Dalawayan's number 18. Two free throws on number 13. Unang free throw. Wala. Second free throw on number 13. Split on number 13. Good for two on number 9. holding foul. That is second injury number 12. Penalty. To be terms of number 9. Substitution. Timeout Systems Plus.
Alma mater ako.
Three, number 1. Last touch on the save ball. Shot clock remaining 18 seconds to shoot. Last touch on Systems Plus, basketball. One minute. Basket number 21. Systems Plus basketball. Shot clock is up. 29.8 seconds on the game clock. AF. That's the end of our first half. This is going to put out a 4-4 for our AF. 35 for our Systems Plus.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.